What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good, man? It's Friday. Shout out to everybody that's getting paid today in TCP. Just popping those free trials out on the 10K funnel. The lifestyle funnel. Also, shout out to everybody that's getting paid in MCA, that has gotten paid in MCA this morning. If you're getting paid in Easy One Up, you're getting paid in Invest Easy Work. If you're getting paid in Power Mining Pool, whatever business that you may have joined me in and that you're going to be rocking with or focused on, man, shout out and congratulations. Enjoy the profits, guys. Enjoy. But at the end of the day, I really wanted to talk about why it's very important, guys, that we start, if you're not looking for a home-based business or if you're not trying to make money online, why it's important that you really need to start now, because a lot of places are closing down, a lot of jobs are shutting down, a lot of things now they're working on to actually be computerized and be generated, to be computerized. Everything now is going where computers are doing it. So what is that doing? That's knocking a lot of people out of work. There's a lot of people are becoming unemployed due to technology now. And you don't want to be one of those people. It's easy now that's why you think so many things are self-serviced. Where you can call now where they like, hey, you can go through our app, you can do this, because they don't really want to be doing customer service no more. There's so much that goes on with that. So that's why a lot of people now are going into artificial intelligence, stuff like that can understand humans. And once you get that done, man, bye-bye. But you need to learn a skill, man. And that's why I wanted to talk about in this video is that you can go out here and join a program, but if you don't know how to market, you're not going to make any money with that program. If you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to make any money with that program. I was talking to a couple of my peers the other day, and we were talking about the education system, saying that the education system is just a big money thing. A lot of the things that they're teaching you depends on what you're going to be, what type of field you're going to be in. I know people that make $100,000 a year and they're still waiting to use that damn algebra. But it depends on what you're doing. If you're trying to do science, you're trying to do robotics and stuff like that, you got to understand math. You got to understand that type of stuff then. But you can go and you can focus and you can teach yourself a lot of things. But it's different thoughts, and people, they feel the way that they feel. So me, I'm like, nobody can take that away from you if you decide to get an education. And nobody, in whatever way you decide to educate yourself, if you decide you want to go to school, cool. If you decide that you want to educate yourself, there's a lot of things that you can go out here and do. Read, buy books yourself, and educate and learn. But I'm in a business where we earn while we learn. And that's why I have programs like Easy One Up and the Conversion Pros, because they're going to show you how to make marketing systems, build platforms. They're going to show you how to go online and offline and market. You want to get that type of training in you, and promote those type of businesses. And then if you decide, okay, hey, I want to go and do this, I want to join XYZ company. I want to have multiple streams of income, different programs, because now I know how to run different marketing systems for different businesses and send traffic to each one and let the marketing system do the follow-ups. So my main goal now is to just focus on lead generation. And that's why I talk about both programs, because the Conversion Pros, we show you lead generation. We give you tools to market any business and program, and we also give you access to leads, interview leads, and people that just, requesting information regardless working on home. So you have these leads, are not clicks, these are actual leads or people you can talk to. You can actually email them, call them, text them. So these are real good leads that you can definitely, utilize. When you're dealing with Easy One Up has reseller rights. So whichever product that you decide you want to buy in at the highest level, whichever one you can afford, if it's 25, if it's 100, 250, 500, or 1,000, whichever one. But once you come in, pretty much you're going to be comped at those other ones. But each one is a product is a shitload of training, excuse my language, but it's a plethora of training in each package that shows you marketing online. It helps you build that skill set of going out here and how to really live the laptop lifestyle. I put you in a position, man. I put you in a position. It's all about you just taking action. You have to take action at the end of the day. I didn't learn how to do this just by sitting on my butt, man. I really didn't. It was so many long nights where I was just sitting up learning, going through training. 4 o'clock in the morning, going to bed. You know, I was learning, and now I do this on autopilot. And I get checks from everywhere. I get payments from everywhere. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. And I just worry about me. I'm just in my little box, man. You know, just in my little box. But a lot of things you can do, and I'm putting it out there. So Easy One Up, I'm going to leave a link. You can definitely earn those one-time commissions with the company, and those are big, nice commissions. You know, we give you everything with Easy One Up. And the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is a marketing system / training. And we pay a residual $25 residual income to that. And you're getting all the tools as far as my marketing system. I'm going to give you the marketing system that I use for Easy One Up through the Conversion Pros, because I built the marketing system around the Conversion for Easy One Up around the Conversion Pros. Capiche? And also with the Conversion Pros, you can earn a $25 residual income, semi-annually residual income, or annual residual income, depending on if the person decides to utilize the system. So it's for 7 days, you can definitely check the system out for free. But from there, it is $50 a month with Conversion Pros. But you have everything from autoresponders, lead capture pages that you can make, broadcast messages, QR code builder, blog itself, webinar replays, just to name some of the tools that you have. And again, you can purchase leads out the back office, man. The type of leads, like I said, interview leads, and people that have requested information regarding making money online. Okay, the interview leads are more people they've been called, interviewed up, and they're waiting on your call. You just got to reach out. Those are the interview leads. So we're putting you in that position. You have no reason to say why you can't make it. You have no reason. Get educated. Main thing, get educated. There's no point in going out here and joining MCAs and all them people. I mean, all them type of programs is not training or educational platforms. You're gonna have a hard time trying to make money. But if you actually know how to go out and market, you can join MCA. You can join anything that you want and go out there and dominate, because you know how to market. You know how to make it easy for people. That's what we show you. Okay. So I'm gonna leave my links at the bottom. You're gonna see my marketing systems. What I'm telling you to do, I'm giving you a call to action, which is telling you guys to check out my link, check out the program, see what you like. They're all free to fucking join. Guys, you gotta excuse me, man, because I've been a nice, marketer, and tried to be all the yada yada yada. Some people don't respect that, So I gotta lay facts out, and I gotta tell it how it is, man. So get educated first. Learn the business, then go out and join these programs and make some motherfucking money, okay? That's what I'm going to say at the end of the day. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I've been flapping my chops almost 8 minutes. You've been rocking with me. I'm about to enjoy my damn Friday, man. I'm about to take some of these profits from some of this Bitcoin money I got, man. I've been, Power Mining Pool, man. If you ain't checked out Power Mining Pool, check out some of my other videos on that, man. I've been doing my thing on that, man. So this your boy Jay, and the Bitcoin game's been going on. So think about it, man. You're making your money in Power Mining Pool, then the Bitcoin is going up at times. You're making that money, man. You're getting gains, man. That's how it goes, man. Profits. All right. So this your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed Friday. Peace.